In this video, we look at adding tables, hyperlinks, images, and documents onto your site. To make any edits to a page, first of all go to the cogwheel and then click on Edit Page. To add a hyperlink, highlight the relevant text or image, then click the Insert tab and select Link. You can choose to link to a document or an image that you have already uploaded to SharePoint, or to link to a website address. You can also bold the relevant text once hyperlinked to make it stand out more. As a prompt to check whether your link is correct, click Try Link. It will also prompt you to add either a mail to in front if it is an email address, or an HTTP before it if it is a web address. The reason for it not showing the full address of the website is because the link is within the Sun site. If it were for an external site, it would show the full web address. When you scroll through the tabs at the top and click on the Insert tab, you will see a table icon. Click on it to add a table to your page. Tables are not always responsive on all devices, so their use should be limited. Once you have decided on the number of rows and columns for your table, you can also choose to customize it by selecting the Design tab and hovering over the different style options. To delete the table, row, or column, click on the table and select the table layout. Click on the down arrow under Delete and select the desired option. To add an image, click on the picture icon alongside the table icon. There are three ways to add a picture. From your computer, that is, from your desktop, when the image is saved on the hard drive of your computer or laptop. You can upload it straight to the page you are working on. Under the Images folder of your site, another folder called Pages will be automatically created, which is also where the images will be stored when uploading from this option. In the form that pops up, this is where you'll populate it with all the search engine optimization keywords that are relevant to this image. Ensure that the title also makes sense before uploading it to the site. If a professional photographer took the photo, ensure that you do include their name in the author section of the form. Then click Save. The second way to upload an image is from a web address, using the URL of the image already uploaded to your site or to another site. Let's go to the Images folder sitting under our site contents. In Images, this is where I'm going to upload the same image straight from my desktop. For the purposes of this example, let's pretend this whole form has already been populated. Here we go. Here's the same image. Now to copy it from the web address, hover over the image and you'll see three little dots that appear on the bottom right-hand corner. Click on the dots. Copy the URL. Go back to the front end of your site. Click Insert Picture from Address. Paste the address in. Now for alternative text, the purposes of this is for partially sighted web users. This helps in a sense that when they use a screen reader program, it is able to read what the caption is for this image, or that it is an image. If you didn't fill this in, it would not be able to pick up that this is an image. And there we go. The third option is by selecting an image that you have already uploaded into your images folder on SharePoint. Now this window opens up to exactly the last folder that you worked in. And then it will open up your images folder. Here we go, here is the same image. Click on it, and then click Insert. And there we go. That is the third way to upload an image to your page. The reason for prompting this message is because these files already exist in this folder. So let's just not upload them. The same process will apply when uploading multiple documents to your site. A tip when naming your files is to make the names logical and to avoid adding spaces or using strange characters and numbers. Another tip is to keep the name of your English and Afrikaans files in the same language, and just add an underscore ENG or AFR at the end so that they stack easily in your folder. A good naming convention is to start with the year, the faculty or department, the topic, and the language. For instance, 2018 underscore Arts and Social Sciences underscore yearbook underscore eng.pdf and 2018 underscore Art and Social Sciences underscore yearbook underscore afr.pdf. In the Documents folder, you can create additional folders to categorize and organize your documents. As mentioned before, you can also drag and drop a whole set of documents into the Documents folder. SharePoint also gives you the option to edit the documents online. However, this is not recommended, as only the finalized version should be the one that goes into a public-facing website. They can be saved as a Word doc, Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF, with PDF versions being the recommended type to upload, as this decreases the chance of unsolicited editing and redistribution of the document. In the next video, we'll take a look at embedding videos onto your site.